We'll start you off with a view of Hurricane Hector in the Central Pacific. There's Hawaii and the mainland there. Hector, a Category 3 storm with 125-mile-per-hour sustained winds, drifting to the west, and it will stay to the south. However, we are going to have an increase in surf and an increase in humidity across Hawaii there. So good news is that Hector should stay south, the worst of the weather, staying south of the mainland and the islands, but could stay a major hurricane yet through the end of the week. So there's Hector. Should head farther east, we have a tropical storm, and that is Christy, and then even more of these named storms showing up as you head farther east. There's Hurricane John getting closer to Baja California, but it is expected to stay offshore, which is good news. And then eventually here by the weekend, a tropical storm as that drifts a little bit farther to the west. Now, as we head into the Atlantic Basin, we have another named storm. This is Debbie. Tropical storm Debbie is not expected to do much other than kind of drift to the northeast over the next couple of days here. So there's your tropical update. We do have excessive heat and wildfires continuing in the western U.S., as well as some severe weather concerns. This is a picture of smoke out at the Lick Observatory in California. Most of the state is shrouded in smoke. Air quality is very bad in the western U.S. with all the active wildfires ongoing. More fire weather concerns showing up today across California and also into the northwest. And by the way, that wildfire, the Mendocino complex, now the largest fire in the California state history, growing to almost 300,000 acres, which is just incredible. Prior to that, it was the Thomas Fire last year that was the largest fire in state history. More of these excessive heat watches and warnings off to the northwest. Daytime highs today will be to the 90s and triple digits. Spokane tomorrow up to 103, 90 in Seattle. Excessive heat warnings continue in the southwest, where daytime highs will be into the triple digits. And Death Valley will be up to near 120 even through early next week. Phoenix, Arizona, you're going to be dealing with some monsoon thunderstorms, but there is your rainfall potential for the next few days.